I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. Happy New Year. Waya selogbe. Ogbe magbaro. First of all, Nika celebrate Abat Obaze because in our time with this 2019 now. The January now. Ike ladian at least emi no ma oni ya ladian emi no that is celebration oni ya ladian na ye gbe na ladian na ye zo ladian so we wa beg we about we marriage now we nice let me celebrate about o se na kam in one ijo we inye no ma ma na inye no ma heke ni ma na mi no mama so about Obaze the crafting boss. Congratulations, welcome to the club. So my brother, Iwakabo happy, you are now a married man. So we all celebrate with you. When my Iwakabo wakare katakata rudari minoga soon bet, I celebrate with you. You are my brother. That is for that. Why we memo born back baby line? So we only want na zai because. Me matter how me ladiam for now because it wa beg me no wa go on na no me ri egbe me ladiam e very na emi no ma me on me ja go ladiam because it was a time now by nowadays Saturday because that about it we and we marriage na Saturday wa do pin wan jo it was celebrated before this old woman could get hold the ladiam because when we me no ikan a we biniki don o mari pe kan I me must to gwanjo Ime mosto guanjo. Iwa mi no na ko ya volume. I'm not happy at all. So you know when you have your opportunity na ya ladian. So Abat, congratulations. Congratulations. I wish you all the best. All the best. I wish you. So my brothers and sisters, this woman, I don't know you. I don't even want me, I even know you. You no fear wetin they say be your name. I no even care to know your name. I don't know whether you dey hear Bini because do ya when ya gbele ya because ya ro wa ya ze bo ne be ogo me. When you be gwani te be azedo. You no fear. Wetin your father, your mother never do. You go do one. Where they build your house put. Wetin they say they call am self. Whether na me, I don't even know wetin be your name. You know the fear. How? Oh, jai mako, nya wo jaya sim ye woman. You know fear. Aje gbe taba awawa. Wetin your father, your grandfather not do. Your grandmother not do. You say na you want come do one. You go the dress like our Oba. Where they build your house put. It never happened before. I mean na ya fe. I mean ye do no mama. Aba bata bidi. Ade ne we gbe wa be salon. Aba bata bidi na muke. Abi vie ron abi gbon no maruwe. No wan e do. Abi gbon no maruwe. Wa si ene na ya fe. All of the door enter when the door enter Europe. All their head, they call all their brain come there for under their feet. What did they call this whether na me abi na that they say that they call you. You don't even fear. Biniki don. Obu gboriri. Now wow. Now why fear no fear una? I fear no fear una. You go the dress as our about the dress. Who born you? Who born you? Mona no dey whether na yem no be yemi na ye be ya name. You no fear. Biniki don. Obu gboriri. Oba na dere po ni sakwoma. Even where you pass ring road safe. Owe a oni jam ye kengwa. E won ba ne jene. Wani ye do no mana. Mami wa no mana. Iwa bo o kan la wa gbe wa si e. Wasi e ni je do yato no na wasi e uwa adegi yeke uwa ha adegi yeke because ave mi no ma sunu de e yana do asunu rudu wa lewebo di borewebo aha gbugwa munyahu ni ka waje do ya fele ni na kwane because e do me gbugwa ma aha wa gbugwa munyahu mu ari ogwa e mi no ma sunu de ne de Ivie goyen jegbe yata. Ah, no. Ivie goyen jegbe yata bima. For what? For what? Oh, ino magi, ono na hama ge mo egbe noje ene oba yin ya mo egbe no ya mo egbe. Ona wo ri man ya fiyan. Ona wo re do yan ya fiyan. You, whether they call you jeje, huh? You know they fear at all. No man don't dress like that. You wear the woman. Where they piece for back. You go they wear, we do they wear clothes as our about they wear clothes. Who born you? You got the right? Who born you? I am your bevare do. Who born you? Ah, yeah. I don't want me, I know your name. I don't want me, I even know where you dey. See, I tell you. Maybe the first and the last. Go do video. Go toss. Go apologize. I don't even want me, even. All these things, wanna they do so. I don't blame all of you because all my head just is crack. Oh, Edonia na be me. Edonia na be me. I don't blame you now. Now, these are our Bini people. They not be Bini self. Evi gonya hin bi digwe abi vie na muke ewovere no don wa do now na cause all these things now they dress like a king. If they not they call you prince, you go say you be prince. Who born you before? If you not be, if they not born you say you come for prince. Na prince born you not fit the answer prince. Abi where they all say they be prince. They all say they be enemy. They all say why aje gbe ya tabe kame. Why aje gbe ya yen so han wa wi your bath enemy. Who bonjour? Hein? Ade mi obave a obok pa kame. Da no bi wa ni ye do no mama wa si ene na ya fe. Wa si e because wa si e. Not by Iladian, or we your bath Germany, not by Ladian, we your bath Italy, not by Ladian, we your bath Nenemi. Uwaya degi yeke. Uwaya degi yeke because wasi why me ye gonve, ya Ladian, or where Barry or your bath Nenemi or Revuyan. Huh? What do you want with your dog botor? Why give you do igwan? E ke no jeje na Ladian. This ye we come out we come wear cloth like our oba. Ah? What your mama not do? What your grandpapa not do? You can't come out, can't do. The thing they make me the verse because today I not be no one verse. I say I want to celebrate this my brother Abatobaze. This ye can't come out. You can't do whether not video you do. Can't dress like our oba. You are not afraid of. You are not afraid of Biniki Don. Ah? You are not afraid. Ah. If you don't know mama, wa siye. Because you we no nyak man, or at your man son, no man yang gwe ya eku, na hina. One if you don't know mama ni ruwe, one was dano, waruwe, one of filacon, one of wafilacon, was in na ya no rona. Because if you go so ya wa head do, kakabo. Nya wa honya zedo fo na we wo ye do nya he but nya we do because nya beg him no wa o nya na be house nya na be aso there ejeje na o han ge wa mo we ya mo egbe no bi ma ya mo egbe do ma yesu no there wetin never happen before this year say na she no wan start am she goat huh I don't even want me I know who you be I no care for you go the dress like our oba wetin never happen before huh. Ah, if ye do, ne man or ruwe, you why akbolori because when wa we gile de. Ah, gbogbo munyahu ahian, wa gbogbo munyahu. Une ro ilahi, wo mami wa no ro, no mama no ro, no fi look be, wa. Age kena bo weru wa bijiwaji unless we e ken donia ya wa o ga e ken donia ya wa yo eni ka o fi wa nwere yen e we na bata o wa fi wa e to nwa ye because o me sunu de o me sunu de this year you know they fear you say na because na wa oba that's our oba take the dress na so you want come take now you say dress huh. You no fear at all. You know the fear that you if you see our if oh salobu wa be na hweni ave monama plaster ave monama biese ave monama kokowo wa yeah you know if yeah you no fear you say na biniki don you dress like our oba gbowe munyahu we no wa ru we na no wa me gbe na o je gbe ya taba me ye mi gbo na dead the first time me ya mi wa je gbe ya ta why you gbe ya ta iwu wa aje gbe ta ba awa wa net awa wa no tedo awa wa mami wa ya no feel pe wa do awu chiki o denu wa eni ka o denu wa no wa va do no de eni ka o denu wa mo gbe wa okay nya we 3 years not be forever wa mo gbe wa reba ni wa we nu wa o just nenemi no baba ya mwa meje nene wo no mahia wo doni alekin we ya mwa meje ni iya ga nu we ameni ya enwo yeye iya enwo because no me so no wote do no iya enwo at all gbaluwa munyahu ari otedo ni wa mi wa weri okwo na kai because agugwa gwan wa hu meme everyone wagwa lo meme wono ma pa watch me hono garu pa kan wa watch me on one in erere na wa gba ne I'm okay with that I don't pa kan wa re me o wa emi wa ta we just emi no ko na time ata no I'm okay with that ejeje na amu egbe o ye pe obi gbo he be ladian o ye pe obi wo be ladian wa we say ese ma pon mu wa e ma ni bi do normal I ma do pon mu wa ese ma do pon mu wa e because wa see e wasi e bi edo igwan we eze yin robi fi pe ge gwa wa fi lu pe because owie kan wa kin because I ma te vi wa ba mo koko wa na edo agbe no wa se o wa igbe no wa se emi no masunu de oba e wa ogidi gan o wa ge o wa ni yan agugwa wa wazin gbe o masunu de yeye nya we na nwa ge wa wazin gbe o wa we ni yan agugwa emi no masunu de yen na ya bo wa enika o ya bo wa adenawu ya bo wa de ya bo wa because o masunu de ni do arukpo do wa o masunu de gere so he ne sunu de ginye wa wazin gbe yen we no nwa ago ma ni ogbo ma wa wazin gbe enika o de no wa no we va do no de wani vie do no sie na mie vie ho iya do sila iya ma we even na ho mai wana no mama live video na la warere o ko so ma no we live video nya wetin ya meme be no wa meme ni aha gbalo wa munya hu mu ari wa mio wa gbalo wa munya hu amu ahia wa gbalo wa munya hu ahia because egeru wa erere nu wa no bi wa o masunu mana mie we ege na do asunu because wa dey famous wa we na hemu wa be ya o wa na ya fi pege gwa wa zin gbe wa mudia wa zin gbe wa mi o be gbe okonu wa rewe bo for many years o ga sege ni ka ya fi wa nwere agbalu wa mu ari ogwa we no mami we no we ejo wa ni we uri me mi no aja wo e dere oni ge di video ojo ni saya nwe mi wetin yen egwa rima emi na ni na da me kankan una tota na nwe ni sa we baga wetu yin rima e mata eru we no bi we hang we yin dere oni eru we no neku we hang we ni dere oni utota wa nwe ni sa de baga wetu we yin egwa rima for what nonsense no waria owajo waria owa enika wa fi unwere no keke ofi wai o ma esunu dedede wa wazin gbe this year wetin they call you I don't even know wetin they call you this dress where you wear since when they born you don't see your mother wear or your father una no dey fear our kid don bini kid don na on the area. I no dey fear. I no blame you. She got. I no blame you this year. I no blame you. Now this our useless bastard. Where they not be Benin. They are not from Benin. They can't grow from Benin. So you might blame Mama Rokba. My brothers and sisters, why way because ya why way on one of you beg gwa. Em na nyogele dame. Ni ya nwa seberi ana. I never hear that before. Eni me wa wa ana tell ana hana so senuje e mo bari ma ara inderu na wo bara talk be ise amanyon. Oni me ga ovege ni. Mami ave hi na abi zenofo ana ni wa la webo ne webo la yen rere yin because yan wa mi egbe yan bagbonte. Ha? Wana e ga fi lu pe. Uwa ikwe negwa self uwa inegwa ta because wa se no no ta. Wa ri a uwa gbe, wa ri a uwa. Uwa wa ri a uwa jo. Aye ya bo wa yeye. Emi na uneru a uneru. Aye gwo ba ta ipin agwagwa. Aye gwo ba ta ipin. Aye we de say wa ma say no rat wa negwa ta. For what? Wa bo wa ji. Huh? Ije no nyegbe bi wa hama gewe wana wetu wari azanze no wa eni agbalu wa mo ari wa wazingbe wazingbe you ye if sian may you not try am again oh we go forgive you for now we go forgive you but before we forgive you go beg our king. It never happened before. You ye because you they offend all Benin people. Now you offend all Edo people. Now you offend all Edo people. Waiting man not do. You will be woman. You ever see any man wear cloth like our king? Huh? Now only our body dress like that. If I born la we gbo hona. If I born we ever bota. All la we gbe. Keku wani no pani no mu we dog boto. If I born ha fie kun le luwa. Wa mi o. Oh wa fie kun o mi bom yo we afie kun le luwa. Ave nonsense na wa see. If you go give me say me rock ba. Nya gi manya we sit there. Huh? Sit there. I pity you na sha. I pity you na. Pity you na. Knock ba wa we ni ka wa agba ogi yen. Where? When I fi pe ge gwa we ni ka agba ogi we. For what? For what? Eni ka wa fi we nwe ri yen. Oh wa fi oh mi bom yo wo ya fi we. Oh gi ai no. Anyway na bata. Amenu wa do be ba. Wa ko zi engbe. Na ajo ni saya nwe mi aweti yen baba la ina wa ensalo bua akan you we no ko no lieke yo we no ko no lieke yo uwo we de kanto una tota na nwe ni sare aweti yen obagi ma for what? Insult we gbe vije baje we gbe vije baje na mami ama ni pelu eluwe ni yen ni ma be yen ni yan eje. Because in way all rikbi anegele ajo wa bo degbe no ma eriye because wa fi we wa big gbe wa big when wa big ni agbalu wa munya hu mu ari wa when wa ya civie dokoto ha wa mi bom yo wa agbalu wa mu ari wa this yeje woman if a boy fear kun lelewe you go the dress like our but the thing they vex me as I see this morning the thing they vex me it they vex me. Usori wa ya mi emigbe. My brothers and sisters, so emi kere when you wa betamowa because why we me na anything at all ma no me na wa mi no let's my beg o wa ranu o fi even we ya no I down we ye I je gbe ta ba wa wo I je gbe ta life o my sunu de ne mai na when yan we a prince yahin wa no we the king no be o emi yata because if manivie we ma okase manivie we ma see o se wa mi una mi ma na ohu no ma to aya obi e wo no kere aya egbe no kere wa mi ma na o itu owo we lamogun we gbo ba kere me gbo ba yeye ya to gbo ba ya to lamogun we gbere na mi wege ya we me na ya gwe ave ma na gun egbe no ma hin yo ma egbe ni we atu bi egbe ni do egbe ni e ja atu egbe ni because o ma ba wo if ya we ma na wa mu ya wa like social media ya na wa ya wa enya pare social media enya paro wa ya wa sorry ke no ba fi pe kere no wa ya wa sorry wa mi e gbe na bata uwa enika o wa so bobe huwa and then not you wa e weather your name and we no wo kan yakun So my brothers and sisters, so just a little thing when you want, because I just see this thing, the thing they vex me anyhow. I just dey vex this morning. Now I say no, I will find time me I take talk, because today I be no want talk about anything at all. I be just want me I celebrate her birth, because as her birth do marriage, so I say me I just celebrate am. So I can't see this one. I say me I just do all together. So happy marriage life about Obaze. I wish you all the best in marriage. So maybe one day I will still do audio to advise you about marriage. So my brother, happy marriage life. Una bye bye, my brothers and sisters. Una good night. Una bye bye. One love from Untouchable Mama.